We'd like to dedicate this song to our dear friend Jenna Mozeyko. She climbs a tree and scrapes her knee. Her dress has got a tear.
She waltzes on her way to mass and whistles on the stair.
And underneath her wimple, she has colors in her hair.
I even heard her singing in the alley. She's always late for chapel,
but her penitence is real.
She's always late for everything,
except for every meal.
I hate to have to say it, but I very firmly feel Mozeyko's not an asset to the abbey.
I'd like to say a word on her behalf. Mozeyko makes me laugh.
How do you solve a problem like Mozeyko? How do you catch a cloud and pin it down? How do you find a word that means Mozeyko?
A flippity-gibbet,
a will-o'-the-wisp, a clown. Many a thing you know you'd like to tell her. Many a thing she'd ought to understand. But how do you make her stay and listen to all you say? How do you keep a wave upon the sand? Oh, how do you solve a problem like Mozeyko? How do you hold a moonbeam in your hand?
When I'm with her I'm confused, out of focus and bemused, and I never know exactly where I am.
Unpredictable as weather, she's as flightly as a feather.
She's a darling,
she's a demon,
she's a lamb. She'd out-pester any pest, drive a hornet from its nest. She could throw a whirling dervish out of whirl.
She is gentle, she is wild, she's a riddle, she's a child.
She's a headache,
she's an angel,
she's a girl.
How do you solve a problem like Mozeyko? How do you catch a cloud and pin it down? How do you find a word that means Mozeyko?
A flippity-gibbet,
a will-o'-the-wisp, a clown. Many a thing you know you'd like to tell her. Many a thing she ought to understand. But how do you make her stay and listen to all you say? How do you keep a wave upon the sand? Oh, how do you solve a problem like Mozeyko?